Gold again trading above 1750 and silver above 2120 levels. Now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts first. Now, if you see the hourly charts here, you can find out the first base was at 1740. The next base it has created is at 1748, 1747 zone. Now, this is going to be a very important support. At the same time, on the hourly charts, you can find out it is giving you lower highs. So, lower highs, flat bottom. Once it trades past 1758, you can again buy. See, this was the wall earlier at 1758. And if you see gold trading above 1758, you can buy again and expect it to rise for 1764, 65, 1770, and in fact it can rise beyond those levels, and hence buy at 1758. That should be a good, rather keep a cushion. In fact, you can remain long above 1758 and expect it to rise more. At the same time, once it drops below 1748, you can again expect 1745, 1740 levels. So in between 1748 and 58, we are not going to take any position. The directional movement on the hourly charts, though, is bullish. The stochastic is rising and entering into overbought levels. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move, and RSI is trading comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the 2-hour charts, trading at the median, trading above the median of the Bollinger Bands with the support here at 1748. Again, gold trying to rise. There should be a little resistance at 1755 and 1758 levels, certainly beyond which you can expect that it is going to fly high. So same observation what we saw on the early charts. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising from the bottom there. The MACD slightly in green. The RSI trading flat, and similar observations on the 3-hour charts as well. Yes, you can clearly see there is a base created here and it is trying to take that as support and trying to rise. Wait for it to break past on the upside. The direction movement moderately bullish. The stochastic trying to converge again and look upwards. Direction move, MACD not indicative of anything. RSI is also trying to look upwards here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation. Yes, the bases are getting created. The resistance there at 1758 and 60 is going to be important. So be careful there. Yes, you can buy at 1755, but then expect 58, 60 and beyond that. Certainly more bullishness still towards 65, and in fact it can fly past 1770 levels today if it continues to trade bullish. The directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts closely. On the daily charts, earlier we saw it has created the double bottom here. Now see, 1740 certainly it has created the base, and with that as base it is trying to rise. Now see, what it is trying to form is rally, rise, retracement, consolidation, and then a breakout should come, which might again try to make it or break it till towards double top, that is 1785-90 levels. It may try to attempt and achieve these levels once before it tries to look forward to a drop. In fact, even if it has to drop, it may try to attempt and achieve those levels. That is my expectation, because see, it has created the base here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, drop, again trying to look upwards, and hence once it rises beyond this zone 1758-60, certainly you can expect it to rise more, and you can expect it to fly past 1770-80. In fact, 85-90 cannot be denied. Now look at the daily charts. Lower highs are getting created here, and hence you need to be careful at 1758-60, only above which you can confirm that there is bullishness. At the same time, trading below 1748, you can expect 1745, 40 is a very good base. Below 1740, it is going to crack heavily on the downside. 1740 is definitely a very, very good support here. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic trying to look upwards again. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It appears it may try to converge with a bullish candle today. RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can buy here at 1758-60 levels. Expect 1764-65. First target 1771, 1781, 85 levels cannot be denied today. On the downside, once it breaks below 1748, we may see a little more bearishness, where you can expect it to drop for 1745, first support, very strong support, and then 1740 levels, the next strongest support. Only and only if gold trades below 1748, confirm this for a bearish break. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch is going to start in January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the silver's hourly chart. Now silver's hourly chart, you'll find 2140 my favorite, 2120 my favorite. These two numbers are, it is trying to swing in between. Yes, once again below 2120, you can still expect it to get a support at 2110 and 2100, which is going to be major support on the upside. Beyond 2140, you can stay long, but 2150 and 2160, these two numbers you should mark out. 2160 is very good support resistance for silver today, and hence this in between these levels, that is 2120 to 2140, we have to exercise extra caution. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, first thing is it has created the resistance here at 2160. Next is lower highs is what we had seen earlier, 2170, 2160, and in fact if it has to rise, it has to break past this zone, that is 2160-70, for it to continue with the bullish momentum. But at the same time, if you look closely here on the 2-hour charts, you will find 2120 has provided it a very good support here, and hence in between 2120 and 2140, again we are not going to take any position. Below 2120 still we may expect 2110 as a very good support, and then 2100 is going to be the next target. See, 2090 it has created the base earlier, now it is trying to create a higher base at 2120. So with that as base, it is trying to rise, and possibly we may see the bullish momentum to continue for a little while. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic converging for a bullish move, MACD in green, RSI flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts, 2090, 2120, and after series of great candles, it is trying to rise again. Once it trades beyond 2140, certainly more bullishness can be expected till towards 2150, 2160, 2170, and then it will fly high. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic flat and trying to converge for a bullish move. MACD is in green, RSI is flat, indicating that it is still trying to trade sideways and possibly decide a direction. So waiting for a breakout, it appears. Also similar observation on the 4-hour charts, couple of bases there. Yes, if it breaks any of these bases, certainly the next target is going to be there. On the upside beyond that, certainly more bullishness. So similar observations, similar levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD not indicative of anything, RSI slightly looking upwards here, indicating little more bullish momentum. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, you will observe similar 2090 is certainly a very strong base. Now see how it has behaved so far. A sharp rally, top there about 2200 levels, 2220, retracement, minor rise, again forming the base. Now it is looking forward to form the double top maximum. That is what it appears, that it may try to form double top here. Hence, possibly once it trades beyond 2140, certainly you can expect 2150, 60, and then beyond that, in fact 2180, $22 cannot be denied. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic flat. The MACD is trading in sell, it is divergent. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can buy here at 2140 and expect it to rise for 2150, 2160. See, every 10 cents you have to book profits and re-enter again. 2160 is going to be a very good resistance, and then beyond 2160 it is going to fly past $22 also possible. Hence you need to take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.